Once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So yesterday I have uploaded the question related to the transportation engineering, and the question was that it is proposed to widen an existing two-lane national highway section to a four-lane divided road. The cumulative number of standard axle to be carried during design life of 15 years in terms of million standard axles from the following data as per IRC 37/2001. Initial traffic in each direction in year of completion of construction is 6,000 commercial vehicle per day. Design CBR of subgrade soil is 3%. Traffic growth rate is 7.5%. Vehicle damage factor is 4.5 and traffic distribution factor is 0.75. So the number of standard axle can be computed. We have to find the question. It is required million standard axle. So million standard axle, million standard axle NS can be computed as 365A 1 plus R to the power n minus 1 divided by R into lane distribution factor, vehicle damage factor into load safety factor. So with the help of this expression we can compute the million standard axle, where A is the number of commercial vehicle per day when construction is completed. It can be computed A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power X, where P is the number of commercial vehicle at last count, X is the number of year gap between the last count and period of completion of construction, N is the design life of pavement, and R is the rate of growth of traffic. Once we have computed this A, so the other parameter, that is D, is called lane distribution factor. D is lane distribution factor. F is called vehicle damage factor, and LSF is the load safety factor. So this lane distribution factor can be computed. That depends on the distribution of commercial traffic in each direction, and each lane is required for determining the equivalent standard axle load to be considered in design. If no data is given, then load distribution factor can be computed as for a single carriageway, for single lane, it is for single lane or two lane. So for single lane the lane distribution factor is 1. For two lane the lane distribution factor is 0.75. Similarly for four lane the lane distribution factor is 0.4. Similarly for two-way divided carriageway, so dual two-lane carriageway or four-lane two-way, the lane distribution factor is 0.75, and for dual three-lane carriageway, so we can say this is the dual three-lane carriageway, so lane distribution factor D can be computed as 0.6, and for dual four-lane carriageway, lane distribution factor can be computed by 0.45. Similarly, the vehicle damage factor, so it is equivalent to the number of standard axle per commercial vehicle on road, and this is the factor converting the number of commercial vehicle of different axle load to the number of standard axle load repetition. So equivalent axle load ELF, that is equal to L by LS to the power 4. So where L is the axle load and LS is the standard axle load. So vehicle damage factor can be computed by fourth power law. So EALF can be computed by L by LS to the power 4. For single axle with single wheel on both sides, EALF can be computed by L by 68 to the power 4, where 68 kilonewton is the standard axle load. Similarly for the single axle with dual wheel, so EALF equivalent axle load factor can be computed by L by 82, where standard axle load is here 82 kilonewton. For tandem axle, so the EALF can be computed L by 148 to the power 4, where standard axle load is 148 kilonewton, and for tridem the EALF can be computed by L by 224 kilonewton to the power 4, where standard axle load is 224 kilonewton. So the vehicle damage factor can be computed n into L by Ls to the power 4 is equal to n1 into L1 by Ls to the power 4 plus n2 into L2 by Ls to the power 4 plus so on and so forth. So if L is equal to Ls, then it can be computed as, so if axial load is equal to standard axial load, so the number of capital and number of repetition can be computed as n1 into L1 by Ls to the power 4 plus n2 into L2 by Ls to the power 4 plus n3 into L3 by Ls to the power 4 plus so on and so forth. So what is the vehicle damage factor? So vehicle damage factor can be computed as vehicle damage factor, that is equal to n1 into L1 by Ls to the power 4 plus n2 into L2 by Ls to the power 4 plus n3 into L3 by Ls to the power 4 plus so on and so forth. So with the help of this expression, we can compute the vehicle damage factor, where n1, n2, n3 is the number of repetition, L1 is the standard axial load, and Ls is the L1 is the axial load and Ls is the standard axial load. Similarly, the another factor that is called load safety factor is multiplied by total equivalent standard axial load repetition to take care of the variation in traffic axial load, measurement load, and unpredicted heavy truck load. Load safety factor is always greater than or equal to 1, while vehicle damage factor can be greater, less, or equal to 1. So now I am coming to the problem. What is, we have to find the number of standard axle. So standard axle can be computed. So the value of A is given, that is 6000 commercial vehicle per day. So if I compute the value of NS, so the value of A is 6000 commercial vehicle per day. Rate of growth is given in the question. Rate of traffic growth is it is 7.5%. 7.5% is the rate of traffic growth. So rate of traffic growth is 7.5%. Vehicle damage factor is given, that is equal to 4.5, and lane distribution factor is 0.75. So lane distribution factor is 0.75. So standard axial load can be computed in MSA, that is equal to 365A 1 plus R to the power n minus 1 divided by R into D into F. So it can be computed as NS is equal to 365 into 365 into 6000 into 1 point. The rate of growth is 7.5. So 1 plus R by 100, so it can be 1.075. So 1.075. And what is the duration? So the duration is 15 years. So it will be 15. So 1.075 to the power 15 minus 1 divided by 0.075 into 4.5 into 0.75. So if I compute the value, so NS can be computed as 365 into 6000 into 1.075 to the power 15 minus 1 divided by 0.075 into 4.5 into 0.75. So it is coming 193047 193,047 363.1. So in NS, in MX, so it can be computed in the million standard axle. So if I divided, NS can be written in the million standard axle. So NS in million standard axle. So if I divide this value by 10 to the power 6, 193,047,363.1 divided by 10 to the power 6. So NS in million standard axle divided by 10 to the power 6. So it is 193.05. So 193.05 million standard axle. So if I see the option, so here B option is correct. B option is 193 million standard axle.